Hello everyone. Welcome back dear students of class 4 in your St. Mary's YouTube video channel in your maths classes. Okay dear students, so in our last video we have completed our lesson number 13 which is patterns. Hope you have completed your homework. Okay, remaining parts. Now today we are going to start our lesson number 14 which is time. Okay, so you are all aware that time is most important thing in today's period. Okay, without time we can't do anything. Everything that we do in our daily life, in our not only in our daily life, every movement is according to the time. Okay, we watch uh, clocks, we wear watches just due to the to see the time. Okay, so let's start to study our lesson number 14 which is time. Okay, so here is a picture which represents the time. Okay, we know very well that one day is equals to how many hours? 24 hours. Okay, and we also know that our clock is according to 12 hours. Only 12 numbers are there in our clock. So that means in one day our clock have two parts, that is first of AM and second of PM, that we can easily see in this picture. Okay, so that's why this is the reason that I have represented the picture in the very beginning of our lesson. Okay, so what we can see here clearly that from the midnight, that is 12, okay, till the noon or midday 11:59 we are having AM. Okay, and after that, after the very next minute, means from the midday 12 onwards to the night 11:59, it is PM. Okay, you can clearly see it. Is it clear for you? Okay, and in your book also on page number 117 a chart is given which represents clearly the AM hours as well as the PM hours. Okay, both are equal. So let's have a look upon that also. So before that I want to show this chart representation to you which will make very clear the imagination of AM and PM in your mind. So from this midnight 12 till here we are having AM, and from here onwards midday till here 11 PM we are having PM. Okay, understood? And this is according to 12-hour clock that we generally have. Okay, that we generally have at our homes and watches we wear. And if we will see according to 24-hour clock, so from here onwards, from 12, 11, 12, and from here onwards means from 1 PM it will be 13, then 14, then 15 accordingly. Okay, according to increasing pattern. Understood? So from here it is very clear to you that till where to where AM and till where to where PM we count. And here it is also clear how we will write our time according to 24-hour clock. Understood dear students? Okay. Now here this is according to your book. Here also it is very clear from midnight 12 to here we are having AM, and from here onwards, from the next second onwards we will continue with the PM. Understood? Now it's very clear to you. Okay, if you are having any problem then you can see again. Okay, again you can see the video, you can repeat it. Okay, now coming towards our exercise number 14A on page number 117. Okay dear students, come on, and this exercise you can do only in your book. No need to do it in your copy. So next one is our question number first. Write the time as shown. Okay. Dear students, don't get confused. This is exercise number 14A. Okay. And see, D part we are taking. Okay. So what is the time indicated here? Tell me. Okay, first of all let me tell you some basic things. I think it is already known for you, but then also let me explain that what does it indicate. These are the smallest needle, or the smaller needle is of minute. This is minute hand and this is hour hand. Okay, dear students, and each and every number counted here is the multiple or a table of 5. That means 5 ones are 5. That means 5 minutes. 5 twos are 10. That means 10 minutes. 5 threes are 15. That means 15 minutes. Okay, up to so on. Understood? And in this way, this is a clockwise direction. Okay, and if you will see this one, then this is anti-clockwise. So no need to see this anti-clockwise. The clock moves like this. Okay, now let's start with our D part. First D. Okay, so what is the time here, dear students? First of all, I told you that needle moves like this. Okay, like this direction. So what happens? That means 8 already being there. Now 8 past how many minutes? This is 20. 5 4 ja 20. Then 21, 22 and here 23. That means it is already 8:23. Understood? You have to write like this, 8:23. Understood? Now see the next one, E part. Here if you will see E part, that means already 9 and how much minutes? 45 minutes. 45 minutes past 9. Okay. So what will be the answer? 9:45. Understood? You can do the starting parts A and B. Very simple. D and E we have completed. Now come on towards our next page. F and G part also we will see. See, dear students, here what is going on? Think about it. Yes. The smaller needle is after 6. That means it is already 6. And how many minutes are passed? That means on 6, 5 6 are 30 plus 1, 31. Understood? Simple. Now, next one. The needle is in the between 3 and 4. What does it mean? What does it mean, beta? That already 3 are there. Okay. And now how many minutes are passed? 40, 41, 42, 43 and 44. That means 3:44. Understood? Okay, I hope you have understood this. Now, come on towards our second part. Write the time as shown. Okay. So, see first of all, in what way we have to write it. See, here time is 8:45. Okay. Sorry, 7:45 it is. Or in another ways, we can say it also that 7:45. Quarter means 15 minutes. Okay, quarter means 1/4. And what is the 1/4 or 60? It is 15 minutes. Okay, understood? So 7:45. That means 8 बजने में 15 मिनट. Okay, there are still 15 minutes to be 8. Understood? So how we will write it? 7:45. Okay, understood? Now B part. In this we can see here 4:10 are there. Okay, in our simple language we will say 4:10. 4:10. Okay, and now what is the correct way to write it? 10 past 4. That means 10 minutes past to be 4. Okay, or 4:10. Simply 4:10 as it is written here. Understood? Now let's see the F part of this. What is there? Okay, here is 5. That means 5 minutes past 5. So what will be the answer? 5 past 5. Understood? You can write at the moment 5 past 5. Okay? Just now you hear and understand. Okay? Explanation is going on. No need to get hurry about doing the work. Okay? You are having much more time to complete your homework from your homework, you can complete it. Here, first of all, you understand, okay, what is going on. Now see the G part. Here is 11 and 30, okay. As 5, 6 are 30, that means 30 minutes. And what does 30 indicate? Here 30 indicates half. Why? Because it is a half of 60. In 1 hour, there are 60 minutes, okay. And if you will make the half of 60, that is 30 minutes, okay. Then we can see the half, that means half past 11. You can write it. How you have to write? Half past 30. Oh, sorry. Half past 11. Understood? Okay. Why I haven't given you this work on the board? Because beta, it will be very difficult to make each and every clock on the board. Okay. That's why in the slide method I have shown you. Okay. Okay. Next one. D, E, I, J part you can do now. Very simple. In this also you have to do the same work. And still if you are having any confusion, then you can ask me. Okay. Now coming towards our next part, that is third one. Okay. And in this what you have to do? Draw the hands to show the time. Okay. We have to draw the hands. So there are 4 parts. 2 we will see here. Okay. See. First of all, what we have to see? 6:54. Okay. Then, first of all, we will make here one point, center point. Okay. Can you see beta? Yes, here it is. Now see, we have to make, there are 2 hands of the clock. One is short and one is long. Okay. Long one is, what does it indicate? Hour. And then shorter one is of minute hand. Understood? So here we have to represent 6:54. Okay. That means it is already 6. So minute hand will be little more than 6. Here it will be. Okay. No, not this one. Here. Okay. Then 54. 54. That means 5 8s are 40. 9s are 45. 10s are 50. Okay. 50, 51, 52, 53 and 54. That means here. Something here we have to prepare it. Okay. Understood beta? Once again I will tell you this here. Okay. Understood? In this way you have to see. Okay. Now see the C part also. First of all we have to make the center point here. Okay. Here in the middle. Now 3 past 12. Okay. 3 past 12. So here the smaller needle will be at 12 and 3 minutes. That means 1, 2 and 3. Here. Understood? So this is the correct way of drawing the hands. Okay. Minute hand as well as the hour hands. Understood? Is it clear to you? Okay. Next part you can do now. Only 2 parts are there. 2 parts we have done here. Now coming towards our 4th part, that is how much time has passed. Okay. In this we have to tell the difference between these 2 times. Okay. Earlier what is and now what is and the difference. Understood? So for that what we have to do? We have to see what time is here. Here is 3. Okay. Proper 3. Then here how much? 3. How much? 45 and 46 and 47. Okay. 47. That means earlier it was 3 and now it is 3:47. Then what is the difference? What is the time passed here? Already there are 47 minutes passed. Okay. So is it easy or not? Have you understood, dear students? Please comment in the comment box. If you are getting, then tell me, yes, we are getting. Okay. Then here 47 minutes. 47 minutes you have to write. No need to hurry up about doing the work. Okay. You can complete it afterwards. First you understand. Okay. Or you can pause the video and do your work. Now see part. Okay. Now here it's 9. Let's 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, 9, 12. And in this 9, 25. 9, 25. Okay, then can you tell me the difference, beta? Can you tell me how many minutes are there? There are many ways to count it. Whichever you feel the suitable to you, you can take. So first of all, 12 to 22. 10 minutes. Okay. Then plus 3 more. That means 13 minutes. Understood, beta? So simply the answer is 13 minutes. 13 minutes. Or simply you can subtract. That is 25 or and 12. Then here is 13. Again this answer. Okay. So any of the methods. Either this or this one. Okay. You can consider according to your choice. If you haven't understood, then please repeat the video. Okay. Pause the video. Repeat the video. Okay. Then you will get. Okay. Now try to solve the next question. Now our fifth part, find the time with, fill in the time with AM or PM as needed. Okay. In the very beginning of the chapter, I have told you about the AM and PM. Again, I will tell you from the midnight. Okay. That means that from 12 onwards till midday 12, it is AM. Okay. And from midday 12 to midnight 12, it is PM. Understood? So 5 o'clock in the morning. Already it is told to us that in the morning it is AM. Understood? This is AM. 8:35 at night. This is PM. 12 noon. Yes. Who will tell me? Think about it. 12 noon. 12 noon. Yes. It is 12 noon. 12 noon we will write as it is 12 noon. Okay. Because it is the middle of the both the times. AM as well as the PM. So we will write it as it is. Then 11:07 in the morning. It is AM. Then midnight. Yes. What you are going to write about the midnight? Yes. 12 midnight as it is. What we have to write? 12 midnight. Understood? Now see this column B part, from B part onwards. 6 o'clock in the evening. In the evening we will directly write PM. 2 at night. It is AM. 12 minutes past noon. That means afternoon. This is lunch time. Okay. So here what is it? PM. Okay. 2:45 afternoon. Afternoon. Okay. And 2:45. That means we are having 15 minutes to be 3. Okay. So here PM. Then 12:30 night. It is AM. Because it is midnight. From midnight we are getting the AM one. Okay. Now the last part of this exercise is sixth one. Sixth one, fill in. That means fill-ups are there. So let's start. Number of hours between 6 AM and noon. We know what is the meaning of noon here. Here noon means 12. Okay. 6 to 12. How many hours are there? Count it fast. Then I will tell you. Yes. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then how many? How many number of hours are there? 6. Okay. So the correct answer is 6. How? I have told you. Okay. Now see Next one, B. Number of hours between 7 p.m. and midnight. Midnight here means 12. Okay, 12. So, leave the 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. How many hours? 5 hours are there. Okay, so here 5. Number of hours between noon and midnight. Very simple it is. It's 12. Okay, why it's 12? Because here noon 12 and midnight 12. So how many hours? 12. Understood? Number of hours between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. Now see here carefully. Here it is a.m. and here it is p.m. That means let's start counting. 11 we will leave it. Okay. No need to count 11. Why we are not counting 11? Because 11 to 12 it is 1 hour. Okay. Then 12. Then 1. Then how many hours? 2 hours. Okay. E. Number of hours between 8 p.m. and 3 a.m. Again here it is p.m. and here it is a.m. You have to keep it in mind this thing. Okay. So leave it 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then 1, 2 and 3. How many hours? 7 hours I am getting. Check it. Yes, 7. Understood? Now, Zola is at school from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. She spends dash hours at school. Then what is the school time? School hours? 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. How many hours? There are 6 hours. Okay. Then again G part. Shankar goes to bed at 9 p.m. and gets up at 5 a.m. Okay. He sleeps for dash hours. How many hours he consumes to sleep? So 9 to 5 a.m. Okay. 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am getting 8. Same thing you are getting now? Yes, 8. 8. Now we started at 9 p.m. and reached Gaya at 9 a.m. The next day. That means next day. p.m. to a.m. Okay, from night we have started and we reached to our destination next morning. Okay, then how much time? How many hours? 10, 11, 12, 13, 40, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many hours? 12 hours. Okay, and if numbers are same, then we have to write 12 because we are having 12 hours clock only. Understood? So that's all about your exercise. If any problem is there, then please tell to me in our next video. In our next video of maths classes, I will try to sort out your all the problems. Okay. See it carefully. Repeat the video. Okay. And complete your work. So what's your homework? Dear students, your homework is to complete your exercise. Okay. Okay. Till then, take care and complete your work.